to show you, but I just want to like, I just really want to encourage you guys, like, have fun with this. Make it your own, okay? So let me show you how to make this wig super sexy. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna blow her out. You wanna see it blown out? Send up some hearts if you want a quick, less than 5-minute tutorial here. Then we'll get back to our regular, especially if you like big sexy hair. This is a tutorial from a big sexy hair girls, okay? So I'm gonna section this off. I am gonna take my wig wax, okay? I'm gonna spray this up a little. I'm gonna literally transform this wig. She's gonna look like big old sexy hair. She is good. Ren is beautiful. Ren is one of my favorite styles. I don't know. That was on your side, but I do think the other two are on the store side. So I'm gonna add some wig wax to this. I'm just gonna kind of wax it up real fast. Then I'm just lifting in sections and spraying this. Now, some of you don't want a lot of volume at the top. Others of you are really used to our luxury cap construction, so you're used to just a lot of volume at the hairline. So now I'm going to take this off. I got all that wig wax in it, ready to zhuzh up. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to grab my hair dryer. I'm going to put my hair dryer on medium heat. And I'm actually going to point this in the cap. And I'm pointing it down. So what I want to do is I want to add a little bit more lift in those fibers. So in order to do that, you want you want it to be pointed down like so. This is a little bit easier if you have like someone to help you a little bit, because you can also kind of pull. Let me show you. So if you can hang it on something that then while you're blow drying it, you can actually kind of pull those fibers down to add a little bit more volume too. I'm gonna actually hang her upside down like so, because as you're heating up those fibers, you're telling them what to do. So now, I also want to add some lift right at the like root. Okay, so I'm gonna point this right at my, like where my part is. The other thing you guys can do, because heat changes the fibers for you, is if you have a ceramic round brush and you want your bang to be more of a bang, you can get your ceramic round brush and then use your blow dryer for that too. So listen, these guys, you can play with them. Like you can straight up play with them, make them your own. Like you're buying this, like here's what I want you guys to understand. Like you're legit getting this wig that in the luxuries would cost you guys this wig in luxury would be over $379. So you're buying this wig for like $160, $170. Like give yourself like 10-20 minutes to play with it. I literally, it took me less than 15 minutes. I trimmed up this bang a little bit. I added some wig wax. I put some volume in it, and it literally looks like I spent $500. I lost my brush. It literally looks like I spent $500 at the salon on this. Now, if I wanted my curl to be